This man, they will take the lion meat. You see lion, they eating, they kill animal. So those man, they want to take the meat from the lioness. Look at that, there are many lions. This is Kenya. This man, they learn they can take the lion meat, part of their meat, not all. Look at them. They are just looking. They go now.
On foot will intimidate a pride of hungry lions and push them off their kill.
Oh, lion. He thinking, what's happening?
Projecting an air of self-confidence is key.
They're coming. Wow, look at their eyes. They go in the crowd.
The first retreat.
Look at them. They got crowd to the first one.
Rikita knows he doesn't have much time before
they're
the
taking
lions
their meat,
you see. To investigate.
They're taking the meat. And lion, they're taking the meat. Yes. Oh yeah. They are looking everywhere. Yeah.
It only takes him a few seconds to carve off a wildebeest haunch.
Yeah. Now they go away before the lion come and attack. Because lion, it will be. Yeah. They take the meat. Yeah. And they left that part because otherwise the lion flew down and eat them. That's African people, brave people.